Hi guys, today I would like to introduce you about Google Earth, how we can use Google Earth in agriculture especially. But before that, I just want to give you introduction, okay? What's the menu, okay, that we can use in Google Earth? Okay, first of all, you have to install the Google Earth Pro. So how to install? You just Google Earth Pro, okay, and then you have to download, okay, in the website and install the Google Earth Pro. Okay, after you install, you will see your interface like this. Okay, so this is the user interface for the Google Earth Pro. You will see the file, edit, view, tools, add, help menu. Okay, so first of all, I would like you to try, okay, from the Google Earth to find a location. Okay, to start with, to find the location, for example here, I type one of my study area is Kampung Lundang Paku. Okay, and then I search. Okay, so it will find the area that nearby to the Kampung Lundang Paku. But the study area for my research is actually here. Okay, can you see it? Okay, it's somewhere here. And then how we can use all the menu in the Google Earth. Okay, the simple menu that you can use is just to pinpoint your study area. Okay, for example, what you can do is just go to the view, okay, and then you can click at the make this my start location. Okay, so the pin button here, the yellow button here, will mark this location as your starting location. Okay, and then what you can do is you can turn on the menu here. If you can see here, okay, the down at the Google Earth here, we have many options. Okay, so if you turn on the roads, you can see the roads is actually appear in your Google Earth Pro. Okay, and if you turn off, the road line will be disappear. Okay, same goes to the others menu. You can just play around, for example, border and labels. Okay, you see, if I turn off the label and if I turn on the label, you can see here, for example, see, the name of the village will be appear. Okay, the label and borders is actually depending on the locations. Okay, because this area is a little bit rural area, so the label and not so many pointed in the Google Earth here. But if you go to the city area, you will see a lot of the labels actually. For example, like hotel and so on. Okay, and you can try anything you like. Okay, just play around with the menu. Okay, you can see the photo, okay, that people share actually, and then weather, okay, and the gallery, okay, and then you can play around all the menu in the layers here. Then what the interesting point here I would like to show you is about in the historical imagery. When you go to the view and you tick the historical imagery, you will see the bar here. Okay, you can see from 2001 to 2020. Okay, so if you drag a little bit, okay, you will see, okay, remember this is our study area. At 2012, this is the location or the view at this year. Okay, maybe we can go a little bit further. Okay, and we can turn off some of the not necessary region here. Okay, so in 2006, you can see in this area especially, what you can see, no residential area yet. Okay, since 2006 compared to 2017, you can see this residential area is actually developed. Okay, and you can see the paddy field here. Okay, even the others location. Okay, you can see the land changes. Okay, and you can see some of the area is actually have a cloud cover. Okay, that's the limitation when we use the satellite imagery. So you can see when the residential here is actually started. Okay, so in 2008 it's not developed yet. Up to 2009 it's actually started to develop the residential area. Okay, so you can play around with the historical data and you can try to the others location that you want to see. Okay, so that's all for me today. Hope you enjoy and please try all the function and have fun with the Google Earth. Thank you so much. Bye.